That is why even in advanced democracies, they are still struggling with making sure that democracy becomes part of their values, becomes part of their culture. And democracy can only grow and be nurtured in places where people are vigilant. Those who are not vigilant cannot protect democracy. So I want to commend the people of Abia State for believing in democracy.
There's no doubt in my mind that the Abians had waited for an opportunity like this. And God, in His infinite wisdom, has decided that this year, 2023, will mark a new song for Abia people. We therefore want to assure you that the trust that you have betrothed to us as party leaders, as governorship candidate, and now as governor-elect will not be betrayed. You will not be disappointed.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.